Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me Ananya Rani and this is my first YouTube video, and I hope whoever is watching this is doing good. So this channel is all going to be about me, my life, and exploring my hobbies, passions, and exploring the world. And few videos will be also about study, nature, books, which is an integral part of me. I'll try to upload one video per week, but since I am new, I need to get hold of many things. Okay, bye. Subscribe to my channel Anis Bliss. See you guys with my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye.